Good day everyone. Today I am going to tackle about my project proposal. I am Christine Faye B. Manayaga and I am the proponent. The title of my project proposal is Save the Earth, Root for the Trees, Plant for the Planet. The topics that I will discuss are introduction, objectives, target beneficiaries and project site, and source of fund and implementation plan. Deforestation or forest clearance is the removal and destruction of a forest or stand of trees from land that is then converted to non-forest use. Deforestation can involve conversion of land to farms, ranches, or urban use. About 31% of Earth's land surface is covered by forests at present. This is 1/3 less than the forest cover before the expansion of agriculture, with the half of that less occurring in the last century. Forest loss and damage is the cause of global warming, climate change, flooding, increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, and loss of biodiversity, which plays an important role in the environment. Climate crisis will not stop if deforestation continues. This in turn impacts humans' health and well-being. Humans depend completely on the environment for survival. But natural systems have been degraded because of human activities. Humans exist within the environment and are part of nature. Survival depends on a healthy and functioning planet. Humans have the responsibility of taking care of the environment, the responsibility of saving the planet. Therefore, this program would be implemented in Barangay Tagas, San Jose, Camarines Sur, in order to increase the amount of trees in the locality. This activity is helpful to lessen the worsening result of global warming or climate crisis. So my objectives are: the general purpose of this program is to address environmental problems caused by deforestation. Towards this end, the following objectives are set. First, instill among the participants the value of protecting, saving, and preserving the environment and natural resources and social responsibility. Second, connect the participants and the residents of the barangay to the benefits of trees and foster environmental stewardship. The project site is in Barangay Tagas, San Jose, Camarines Sur. The target beneficiaries are minimum of 50 participants reside in Barangay Tagas, San Jose, Camarines Sur will be taking part and the beneficiaries in the project. Proceed to my implementation plan. First activity is conduct of meeting. Second, finalization and submissions of plan. Third is conduct of the activity. And the source of fund is Barangay Tagas officials. Duration is from June 1 to June 15, 2024. Persons involved are participants, barangay officials, and proponent. Budget allocation is 500 pesos, and the proponent together with the participants successfully administer the tree planting activity is the expected outcome. Thank you.